hello guys. So, etong part na to, magtuturo ako paano gumawa ng simple brushes lang. Yung sa inyo na mismong brushes. Ito kasi madalas kong ginagamit sa mga hair strands eh. I know sikat ganito din ginagawa. So, let's go ahead and click on the ellipse tool here. And then, just create a circle. I'm holding the shift key din sa keyboard. And then, release. And then, direct selection tool, and then just click on one node here, and then drag kung gaano man kahaba, bala na kayo kung ano yung gusto nyong length nya. And then actually you can just resize it by holding this one and then like that. Okay, pwede nyo pang stretch pahaba. So this one, I will click on this, and then on the brush panel, kapag wala dyan, hanapin nyo ulit sa window, and then here's the brush. Click on the three lines here, and then new brush. Select art brush, and then hit OK. And then, ako wala naman ako binabago dito except for this and the tints. And then hit OK. So, it's here na. Ayan na siya. So, let's try the brush. Let's delete this one. And then try the brush na. Letter B on your keyboard. Ayan na siya. Kilay na agad siya, besh. So, pwede na siya agad pang kilay. Oh, diba? Now, let's create another brush. Using the ellipse tool again. And then just click and drag. Manipis lang. Yan. Again, pwede nyo pa rin siyang liitan or lakihan. Depende sa inyo. Ako gusto ko manipis kasi. So, gusto ko nimpisan pa siya. Nanipisan ba? I think yun na yung pinakamanipis. Yan. Okay. So again, select on your created brush and then click on the three lines here and then new brush, then art brush, okay, and then tints. Okay, so ayan na siya. Parang makapal pa siya, no? So it's okay, just for demo purposes lang. Let's delete this again and then just try the brush na kinreate yung bago. Yan. O, diba? Pwede rin siyang pang grass or yung maliliit na strokes nung kilay kanina. Okay? So, pwede rin gumawa ng mga parang free-flowing brushes. Kunwari, gawa tayo ng brush from another brush. Like this one, I will create, kunwari, spirals. Ganyan. Para sa mga kulot. Ulit, ang pangit. Ayan. Okay. So, select. And then, new brush. Art brush again. Okay. Then, tints. And hit OK. Okay. Try na natin. Para isang stroke na lang siya. Ay! Nangyari. Hindi pala siya nakaselect. Ito pala. Ayun. Oh, see? You just created your own kulot-kulot brush. And okay, that's it for this video. Thank you.